Once upon a time, in the charming town of Willowbrook, lived a man named Alex and his wife, Lily. Their love story had started with a spark, a connection that seemed unbreakable. Alex was captivated by Lily's kindness, her laughter, and the way she made every moment feel like a cherished memory. In the early years of their marriage, Alex and Lily were inseparable. They laughed together, dreamed together, and faced life's challenges side by side. Their love was a beacon of happiness for everyone around them. Lily's eyes always held a special glimmer whenever she looked at Alex, and he couldn't help but feel grateful for having her by his side. However, as time went on, something changed within Alex. He started working longer hours and getting involved in social circles that seemed to pull him away from Lily. Slowly, he began to neglect the warmth of their connection and the love they had once shared. He grew distant, spending more time away from home and less time with Lily. Lily noticed the change in Alex's behavior. She felt the void growing between them and couldn't understand what had caused this sudden shift. She tried her best to rekindle their spark, planning surprises, cooking his favorite meals, and attempting to engage him in conversations. But no matter how hard she tried, Alex remained distant and detached. As months passed, whispers of Alex's infidelity reached Lily's ears. She felt her heart shatter into a million pieces, her trust in him crumbling. The realization that the man she loved, the one who had once promised to cherish and protect her, was now unfaithful, left her feeling lost and broken. Lily's pain was evident in her eyes, but she didn't confront Alex immediately. Instead, she decided to take some time to reflect on their relationship and what she truly wanted. She remembered the love they had shared and wondered if there was a way to salvage it. One day, when the pain became too much to bear, Lily finally gathered the courage to confront Alex. Tears streamed down her face as she expressed her hurt and disappointment. Alex, faced with Lily's raw emotions, realized the gravity of his actions. He saw the pain he had caused, the trust he had shattered, and the love he had taken for granted. It was a turning point for Alex. He felt a pang of guilt and regret deep within his heart. He realized that he had allowed his selfish desires to cloud his judgment and had taken the love he had with Lily for granted. He knew he needed to make things right. With a heavy heart, Alex confessed his mistakes to Lily and begged for her forgiveness. He promised to change, to become the man she had once fallen in love with. He understood that loyalty and commitment were the foundations of any relationship, and he was determined to rebuild what he had almost destroyed. Lily listened to Alex's words, her heart torn between the pain of his betrayal and the love she still felt for him. She saw the sincerity in his eyes and heard the remorse in his voice. She knew that people could make mistakes, but it was the actions they took afterward that truly defined their character. Over time, Alex proved his commitment to change. He started spending more time with Lily, showing her the affection and attention she deserved. He cut ties with the people and habits that had led him astray and focused on rebuilding the trust he had lost. As months turned into years, Alex and Lily's bond grew stronger than ever. The journey to healing wasn't easy, but it was worth it. Alex's realization had transformed him into a better husband, a more loyal partner, and a man who valued the love he had. Their love story became a tale of redemption, forgiveness, and the power of second chances. Through their struggles, Alex and Lily learned that even in the darkest times, if there's genuine love, commitment, and a willingness to change, a relationship can emerge stronger and more resilient than before. And so, in the heart of Willowbrook, a man's recklessness was replaced by his loyalty, and a woman's pain was mended by her forgiveness. Their love story became a testament to the fact that mistakes can be repaired, and the power of love can triumph over even the greatest of challenges. Remember, every relationship faces tests, but it's how we learn from our mistakes and make amends that truly defines us. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heartfelt narratives that explore the complexities of human emotions. Thanks for watching.